like a certified baddie. What's up, y'all? It's Tamia. What else do I have to do besides I'm going to turn. Let me pop my in this video today. I'm going to be showing you guys how I install a fresh brand new wig. Welcome back to my channel. It's been such a long time actually, but I'm grown. I'm actually working on getting my hair content back up and jumping. As a content creator, you have to know the idea that you want for your page, your brand at this moment in time. It's always going to change because things are always changing around you. So if you're not changing with the things that are changing around you, you're going to be behind. And actually, you're trying to be ahead of these things is really what's going to set you up for success. Hey man, that's free game right there. I'm about to install my wig. Let me show y'all. Oh, I can't lie, I'm nervous. So this is her. I just colored her. It's an Amazon wig, so I'll let you guys know all the details. All of the wigs that I buy on Amazon do this, and I've actually seen a lot of blonder wigs do this to where they don't take the color on the ends. That just means it's low quality. Let's get started. Who's getting all of my residuals? I'll fight every single one of y'all to get this Chris Brown ticket. My hair is braided down, the story sprayed down everywhere, so I'm not even gonna show y'all the back. And I'm gonna try it on. It's giving Smurfette. It's giving it's gonna eat down though. Tea tree oil on my parts. Scalp just dry and thirsty. Wonder why your hair not growing. Get a towel, washcloth, cotton round, whatever you need. You're gonna wipe your perimeter and right above your ear right here. I'm gonna go in with the liquid melt by Ericka J. Going to push my baby hairs back. Put it on my edges. Since I'm doing a colored wig, I am going to slick up the nape of my hair. If you don't know what the nape is, go kitchen, baby. I'm not turning around and showing y'all my braids. I ain't gonna embarrass myself like it. Cause baby, Ericka J is on hold. I don't like having my wig sewn down, and I don't like having my cap sewn down in the back because I like to scratch my head freely. If that's something that you would want, make sure that you request that from your stylist. So what I'm about to do, I'm about to take my Ericka J Hold Me Down adhesive. She's tiny. This is 0.7 fluid ounces. So first things first, I'm gonna take the Ericka J adhesive skin guard, and I'm just gonna, and I have the watermelon scented one. It's giving Fun Dip. It smells so good. Sport Hold Me Down adhesive. This is the peach one. I have the watermelon, but it's something about this Sport that give me the hold that your girl really be looking for. Okay. Yes, I'm missing a nail. Like I do hair. Like I'm always missing a nail. So a big issue that a lot of y'all have when y'all are doing your hair at home is that first of all, you're impatient. Doing hair takes time, and that brings me to another thing. When I have my appointments, don't be rushing me. Do not be rushing me, baby, because I'm going to take my time. I'm sorry if you have somewhere else to be at this time. Sorry, don't book your appointments too close. And it's very inconsiderate to even come into the salon and be like, oh, I thought I would be done by this time. First of all, make sure you discuss that with your stylist prior. That's how you get over that. Then don't get into the chair, especially if you didn't have this discussion with your stylist already, and get to rushing them, and then you start huffing and puffing because you have somewhere to be, acting all angry. Because do you want to finish it yourself? What's up with y'all? Like, for real, bro. We are people, bro. We are people. And that's one thing that's hard about doing hair sometimes. I do not treat us like people, dog. How your job treats you like a machine, that's how y'all treat us. These brow wig caps I also got from Amazon. The wig and the colors that I use, any other products that I've used, they'll all be down in the caption below. So what I'm about to go ahead and do is put my foundation on my wig. I use the Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation, and I'm using the shade 15. Just have a flat foundation brush. Just gonna go in and color her up. I ain't never had blue hair before. Here she go. Here she is, looking like the baddie that she is. Get my hairspray, my even spray, and spray on the inside. So obviously when coming back and making new videos, things happen, and I didn't realize that the audio wasn't on. It was a little blurry. So all I'm doing on these clips are cutting off the excess bald cap and applying my adhesive. I applied 3 to 5 layers, or 5 to 7, just depending on the hold that I need to have. And I also make sure to put a little V at the front of my head for my widow's peak. This is what it'll look like completely dry. Y'all are very, very welcome. The first braid of my braid down, I usually braid across the nape of my head also, so I can slide the clip of my wig under there. And then I put the hooks into the middle loop under the clip as well for tightness. And then I just put my wig on, pull it over front, and I'm really using the reflection of the light to show me where the edge of my glue is, to see where I want to put the edge of my lace. And this is really a pro tip because it makes sure that you don't have your wig too far back or too far forward, because we all know it looks a mess when your wig is too far forward. Okay, once I have my lace placed exactly where I want it, I go in with my rat tail and I really press it in with the spine of my comb. This gives it the first level of hold that it really needs to sustain, y'all. If you're not taking these steps and these precautions to make sure that your wig install lasts, it's not gonna last. Like, hello. And I do the same thing with my hot comb. That's probably one of the most important tips before I go in with my melt band. Really pull my band and hold it real tight while I put it on my head, and I tie it extremely tightly. Not obviously stupid tight to where I can't breathe no more, but tight enough to where I know that this lace is going to melt. I low-key started styling my wig already. I did cut her up, gave her a nice face frame and layers with the middle part. I still need to go in and refine my cut with the side part. I'm not feeling too confident, but I think I'll feel better once it's curled. Just think it's very different, very out the box for me. Already here, we're gonna continue. I'll comb her back. Pro tip, get you some spray wax. Shout out to Redken. Shout out to my cosmetology school. Without them, I wouldn't have even known Redken existed. Then this front piece here, I'm gonna take it and hot comb it forward. All of this forward. It's just not consistent. If the ends looked how I wanted them to look, I would feel a lot better. I'm sure once I put the edges and everything in it too, I'll feel better. My layers and everything have been cut. I'm gonna go ahead and cut my lace. Tell me that's not scalp though. Tell me that's not scalp. Tell me that's not scalp. That makes me feel a lot better. And just kind of lifting up any extra places that are stuck that I'm about to cut. First, I cut up the middle, like so, like that. I can't multitask to save my life, but I'm just cutting in a zigzag motion. I know y'all have heard it before, and if you can't do that, just get you some zigzag scissors. I promise you they work. I recorded this in April, but it's now November. So actually, I use the eyebrow razors now, and it helps a lot. I feel a little bit better. I look good. The widow's peak really peaked. I'm gonna section out my edges. I like my swoops to be pretty identical if I can get them to be. So since that's there, I'm gonna start about here. It's getting Smurf Fits big cousin. If you want your hair done like this, I can do you like this. Trust and believe that. Now that I have my edges separated out, what I'm gonna do is take the same foundation brush and foundation shade and go across my lace with it anywhere where it's a little more visible than I would like it to be. And I'm also gonna take it on my part here a little, anywhere where I parted my edges out. Some of the Fantasia Super Hold, and I am going to put it on my lace. Just dabbing away. Ain't nobody dabbing no more. That's crazy, man. Life done got too serious. Why we stop hitting them folks, bro? Why did we stop? And I'm just gonna let that dry for 1 second before I put my melt band back on. I'm about to curl my hair. If you want a tutorial on that, y'all gotta come back a different day. She's all curled. Nice quick little hairspray. I got a little aggressive. I'm gonna comb my curls out. The key really to doing your hair is to take the time to get it to look how you want it to look. I'm in the back to give her a nice blend. Now it's time for some edges, and I really don't do anything crazy, y'all. First, you're going to pluck. If you don't pluck, your edge is gonna be thick. And knowing how much to pluck is a little tricky. It's just up to you and how much you like. Try not to over pluck because I don't want them to be too thin also. But I've actually learned this recently from my big sister. She was like, she likes her edges longer. So that's what I tried to do in this wig, and it made a huge difference. Before I curled them up, and then I used my Ericka J at the very base of my edge, and then I used some foam at the end to really lay it down. All right, y'all, my hair is done. This is the final look. Yeah, I didn't eat down. Liar. Some of y'all probably said it too because y'all be hating. Thank y'all so much for watching my first YouTube video back. Keep praying because Jesus is always going to be the answer and the only answer you ever need. I hope you guys stay tuned for my next video.